Hello friends, how are you? If you want to know how to make a piece like this using only a mold like this, stay there and check out the video. Bye. Well, to start out, congratulations. I made a drawing on paper in pencil. That's why it's hard to see. Well, what did I do? I made 2 scrolls. I used the same mold. And then with them, I came to make the drawing, positioned and drew. And I came to make the drawing. That way I don't run the risk of having a drawing of a mold that I don't have, and I have to make a new one. And now we're going to get practical. A tipped piece of electrical wire or wire can be used to transfer the drawing measurement to the flat bar and thus cut to the exact measurement with no shortage and no excess so that there's no waste. Thank you. Getting a drawing is essential to have a result that matches what you imagine. It requires a little force, a little care, attention, especially with the welds and their finishing. Relatively easy to do and gives a good final result. The client was satisfied with the wall light, and I hope you liked it. And until next time,